Boultham Skellingthorpe Road level crossing in Lincolnshire. This is the eWabber Ear Trains 95 channel on Monday the 28th of October 2025. It is 22 minutes past 11 or 48 minutes to the afternoon. The barriers have been lowered for the 11:27 East Midlands Railway service from Leicester to Grimsby Town, which has 1 minute until it leaves the previous station stop at Highcombe. Which, because now we're in local leaf form timetable, it arrived there 4 minutes before departure, as our long distance trains, apart from the London Meridian, is now not calling at Swinderby until late November. Only the local trains connecting to the main line at Northgate will continue to call at all intermediate stations. There has been no actual change to the timetables themselves for these longer distance services, so they'll be arriving into Highcombe and Collingham slightly earlier than scheduled. Some of our local flags have now started to completely fall down the post, ready for removal and or theft. Over in the distance we've got the Lincolnshire flag and something I have no idea what, because it's never come up in geography. Train just past the previous barriers at Donington Road. We'll be here in about a minute's time. Train approaching. On 3515 for Grimsby Town. It's the wee woos!
That's what she said!
But we've routed the train, so they've got to wait.
Oh, really?
Just coming on to 11:30 for the 11:30 LNER service from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross. Train approaching. King's Cross. You fanny. £11.40. The 11:38 East Midlands Railway service from Grimsby Town to Leicester. Well, that was quick. So 271. For Leicester. And the last one then. Brings us round to 11:52 for the 11:54 LNER service from London King's Cross to Lincoln Central. Somehow the Great British Cock Festival has arrived and dumped their equipment on the site of a grave, as per usual. What a cock-up. That's the one I bought back yesterday, I think. Here we are. Over to 02. Lincoln Central. And we thank you for watching the ear, nose and throat trains channel of 95. Stay tuned for what they're posting next. We'll see you in the next video.